building a better network to serve rural communities with Billion. In the Amazon jungle, it is tough to provide schools, hospitals, emergency stations, and police stations to always stay connected with the internet. The mobile LET network is the best choice. Planner can build up a wide-range radius network to cover the public facilities and people as many as possible via LET network. To consider the jungle environment, a reliable LET outdoor router is required, which can withstand heavy raining days and dramatic temperature change between day and night. Billion's BiPAC 4700ZU is a secure outdoor LET router that is capable of delivering an excellent transmission quality in the harshest and extremely challenging rural and jungle environments. Citizens and public safety personnel in rural and harsh areas can still enjoy robustly and secure data transmission in real time 24/7. BiPAC 4700ZU already had installed in the Amazon jungle to serve people.